Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the substitution method in the recurrence relation problem. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. So we can solve the recurrence relation problem using two methods, that is using the substitution method, that is the back substitution, or the another is master theorem. The master theorem video link is given in the description, you can access it. Now how to solve the recurrence relation using the substitution method means, just write this one. So T of n is equal to, what is the bigger value right here? T of n divided by 2 plus c. Now I will be substituting n by 2 in place of n. So let's call it as equation number 1. This is the original equation. So I will be placing n by 2 in place of n. So n by 2 it is equal to T of n by 2 divided by 2 is left. So 2 plus c. So if you rewrite it, n by 2 will be same. T of 2 will go here. 2 2s are 4. T of n by 4 plus c. I will call this as equation number 2. Next, in the next step, I will be replacing or substituting n by 4 in place of n. So what it will be? T of n by 4 will be equal to T of n by 4. 2 is left at the denominator. 2 plus c. So if you solve it, n by 4 which will be equal to T of 4 2s are 8. So n divided by 8 plus c. So this much is enough. Let's take the only 3 equations. Now we are having 3 equations. What I will be doing is, I will be substituting one equation in another equations like that. So let's substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Equation 2 in the equation 1. So if you see the equation 2, so what is equation 2? This one. You must substitute in equation 1. So T of n is equal to, equation 1 is T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus c. So T of n by 2 means second equation. We are having T of n by 2 value. So what is T of n by 2 value? T of n by 4 plus c. And here plus c is remaining in the first equation. So plus c. What it will be? T of n by 4 plus 2c. Plus 2c. So you can write T of n by 4, you can write it as 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 plus 2c. Next, what I will be doing, what is the value we got? N by 4. So I can replace n by 4. Here we are having n by 4 means that is third equation. So I will be replacing the third equation now. So T of n by 4 value is here. T of n divided by 8 plus c, and 2c is left. So plus 2c. So what will be the value? T of n by, how can you write 8 in 2 power? 2 power 3 plus 2c plus 1c. So 3c. Now if you see the equations which we are getting now, so we can conclude or write in the generalized format that T of n divided by 2 power k plus kc. So we can write it as this, like T of n by 2 power k. So here k value is 3. So here also same value. K and k means 3 and 3. Here 2 and 2. Here 1 and 1. Like that. We are having the value. So we wrote it in the generalized format. T of n by 2k plus kc. So my condition is to make it as 1. So when it will be n value equal to 1 means, then the output will be equal to 1. So I must make the n value as 1. That is T of n value must be equal to 1. To turn it to 1, what I will take is, let n is equal to 2 power k. Let n is equal to 2 power k. If I substitute n is equal to 2 t power k, n will be same here, and in place of t power k, n will be substituted. So plus kc is left. Here after this, n by n means 1. So T of 1 means, what will be the value? T of n. N value will, when it is will be equal to 1, it will be 1 only. T of 1 value is equal to 1 plus kc. Only plus kc, 1 plus kc is left. We can't keep in the k and c format. We must keep it in the form of n, because in the question they have given in the form of n. So how to keep it in the form of n means, So we have assumed that n is equal to 2 power k. We have assumed n is equal to 2 power k. What I will be doing, apply log on both side. So if I apply log on both side of the assumption that I made, n is equal to 2 power k, what it will be? Log n is equal to k log to the base 2. K log to the base 2. So what will be the value of log to the base 2? Log to the base 2 value will be equal to 1. So log n is equal to k. So in place of k, you can write log n. Now finally, what will be the value? 1 plus kc is here. So 1 plus kc is here. We know the value of k. So what is the value of k? Log n. So write it as 1 plus log n into c. 1 plus log n into c. Here 1 is constant and c is constant. Here 1 and c are constant. The variable only left is log n. So you can write it as the time complexity will be order of log n and its base will be equal to 2. So the base of the log is 2. Order of log n is the time complexity we got at the final. Time complexity. So what you will be doing? You will be generating the 3 equations using the substitution method. If here n by 4 is there, you substitute n by 4 in place of n. Like that you will be generating 3 different equations. Using those equations, you will be forming a generalized form. And using generalized form, you must do the assumption. So you must do the assumption so that n value equal to 1 and the output will be getting as 1. So when output value will be getting as 1, here we can't keep it as k or in the constant term. You must keep it in the n term, because the time complexity will be defined in the terms of n. So what you will be doing, you will be converting k in the form of n. So that is applying the log for your assumption. So you got it, the final answer. Here 1 and c are the constant. You can't use them as the time complexity. So what you will be doing, only log n is left. So in the order of log n, the time complexity will be determined in this question. Hope you understood the concept of substitution method in recurrence relation. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and support so that we will be motivated to make more videos on the engineering topics. Thank you.